Greater Tipra leni shanmungo kok Khlainani bagwi paithago Tipra Mothani adongrongno ringhorka hakotorni Home Minister abni logi alliance noti kok Khlainani bagwi Amit Shah bai Ringjagwi Delhi Thangkha Tipra Mothani kuchuk Ojamarok Srangsal horo NEDA ni chairman Hemonto Biswa Sharmani manjakmungo Tipra Mothani joto Ojamarokno logi otonoi Amit Shah bai kokja panda khlainai Tipra Mothani chairman Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma Paithago hastini joto lukurongni khakamungno ulkogo tonoi BJP baino alliance Khlainani phaiching sikangjak Tipra Motha Greater Tripura ni shanmungo kok Khlainani bagai Paithago Tipra Mothani adongrongno ringhorka hakotorni Home Minister Amit Shah BJP te Tipra Mothani bisingko alliance no tuyai krakshalo Amit Shah nedani chairman Himuto Biswa Sharma te Tipra Mothani chairman Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debormani bisingo kaisa koksa panda ongmani koktoma fiaba koksa pandawo dononi bisingo alliance no tuyai tamo solution ongkhore faika obonotuye mungsa koktoma kurui Abuni bagoi no hai alliance no tuye kok Khlainani bagai Amit Shah bai Ringjagwi srangsalo Delhi Thangkha TTAADC ni deputy CM Onimes Deborma TTAADC ni chairman Jagadish Deborma EM Chittoranjan Deborma ex minister Mebar Kumar Jamatia bini logishom Gita Deborma te ex MLA Bishokitu Deborma srangsal horon nedani chairman Himonto Biswa Sharma ni manjang mungo Tipra Mothani joto Ojamarok no logio tonoi Amit Shah bai koksa panda khlainai Tipra Mothani chairman Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma fiaba Amit Shah bai Ringjagwi Delhi Thangmani no tuye mungsa kok shanani nailia ADC ni EM Chittoranjan Deborma te ex MLA Bishokitu Deborma
না কিছু এখন কিছু বলা যাবে
মানে কোথায় যাচ্ছেন
কি বলবো এটা কি
কোথায় যাচ্ছেন কোথায়
দিল্লি যাচ্ছে
মানে কার সাথে
মিটিং কার সাথে এটা আমি জানি না আমাদের সুপ্রিমো জানে
এমনি আপনাকে
জানানো হয়েছে মিটিং একটা আছে আসবে দ্যাটস অল
কে কে যাচ্ছেন
আপনারা কতজনের টিম যাচ্ছেন
আমি একটু কথা বলতে পারবো স্যার
আচ্ছা মূলত কি কারণে কেন আপনারা দিল্লি যাচ্ছেন যদি একটু বিস্তারিত বলেন
না আমি একলা যাচ্ছি রেজিস্ট্রেশনের জন্য
কিসের রেজিস্ট্রেশন
আমাদের ত্রিপুরা রেজিস্ট্রেশন
হোম মিনিস্ট্রিও তো ত্রিপুরা মোথাকে ডাকিয়েছে অলরেডি কয়েকজন লিডারে গেছে
আই হ্যাভ নো নলেজ অ্যাবাউট
ইউ হ্যাভ নো নলেজ ইউ আর গোয়িং সেপারেট
থ্যাংক ইউ
Yang dekhaksa faising Amit Shah bai Ringjangmani pati mungna tuyai TTAADC ni CM Onimes Deborma Shakha hakotorni Home Minister Amit Shah te nedani chairman Himonto Biswa Sharma ni ringmani bai Delhi thangoi tongo Tipra Mothani Ojamarok khunai
Party chairman early in the morning at 1 a.m. in the morning in fact. And fortunately I had a word with Chief Minister of Assam also this night or last night actually. And it looks like that Home Ministry is very sympathetic to the problems of the Trasa people in Tripura, and Home Ministry is serious to address our issues. There will be a meeting most likely between Tipra Motha, maybe BJP top leaders, and also with the high officials of Home Ministries. Tonight we have a couple of meetings, and if anything to happen actually we can only tell right after the meeting.
So ultimately the home ministry has come taken
Exactly, that much I can tell, that the issue of Greater Tipra land and the constitutional solution which was our demand, Home Ministry is serious about addressing this issues.
and sir Amit Shah himself will be there in the meeting.
I think last night Home Minister Maharaj and Assam Chief Minister, they had a dialogue, and we hope that such a good number of delegations we are heading towards Delhi. All these things are to happen in the presence of Home Minister.
And you still stick to your demand of Greater Tripura land or stayed within the state?
See, one thing is that we talk about Greater Tipra land, and also we want to appeal to all sections of people and the government of India. If far better solutions are available in the constitution, we definitely will accept it. Whether it is within state or a state within the country, anything which is good, where all people can live peacefully, we'll accept it.
সিট শেয়ারিং নিয়ে কি কোনো কথাবার্তা হবে এখানে
সেই ব্যাপারে একটা জিনিস হচ্ছে পলিটিক্সে গিভ অ্যান্ড টেক। আপনি আমার থেকে কিছু একটা নিয়ে যান, আমাকেও কিছু একটা দিন। So definitely if constitution solution comes up, the expectation from Tipra Motha also will be there. আমাদের থেকেও কিছু নিতে চাইবে, দেখা যাক কি হয় সেখানে গিয়ে।
You have been called from New Delhi. Who has called you and what is the meeting all about?
Midnight yesterday, Bubagra has called me that please you come to Delhi. We have an emergency meeting in Delhi, and most probably our leader, central leader, Khorang also will be going. So some few leaders was called by Bubagra. That is the main reason I'm going today, and hopefully there will be some discussion will take place with the Home Ministry. So I'm not very clear, but still I hope there will be some discussion, dialogue will take place. Let us see what will be outcome.
Do you still stick to that main core demand that you have placed?
That we'll discuss in detail. Of course, we always want the constitutional solution. What will be solution constitutionally, we'll find out. And maybe without discussion, I cannot say anything.
But 2 days back, Tipra Motha had little come down from his main demand of a greater Tipra and a separate state. You have mentioned about a state within state. Do you stick to that?
No, still now there is no confirmation. We stick our own core issue. But through discussion, I think something will come out. What I believe.
And the state within state is there?
No, that is we are asking for the statehood, Article 2 and 3. But let us see what is the outcome, because through discussion we'll come to know.
And on the basis of that, seat sharing will take place?
Let us see first discussion with our issue. Our then the seat sharing will be later on.
And from Home Ministry, who will be meeting you? The Home Ministry?
Most probably Home Minister like Amit Shah ji will be most probably there, or maybe some other officers. I don't know. I'm just I was called by the Bubagra, so I'm going.
Who along are accompanying you?
Oh, of course, my wife is also with me, and some other leaders also. Just long time we don't meet Maharaj also, so just.
Fia bagrata Tripralan Rinani hine written copy Rinani goda goshia hakotor hapang koksa panda paimani yagulono sok finance rais rai koktoma abo haikene koksa panda o sit sharing tuye doloni bishingo koklam unglai mani koktoma Raja Khoragolini shimi pronobni kokthum Chini Khorang